On today's episode of 5-Minute Scuba Tips, I'm going to show you how to repair a small tear in a neoprene neck seal. Recently, while diving, I encountered a small tear in my neoprene neck seal on my Abyss Drysuit, and it's not fatal, it's not catastrophic, but I definitely want to repair it. For this project, we're going to be using Aqua Seal neoprene contact cement, and we're going to put it in the crack and around it and press it together, and it should stick. Here's a very brief demonstration of what I did with the Aqua Seal. Again, with the nozzle off, you just put it around and then squirt some into the crack. You don't need a whole ton. This is the Aqua Seal after it's dried for approximately 30 minutes to an hour. It starts to get tacky. I'm trying to use the Q-tip here to show you, get the camera to focus a bit. It's got this shine to it, and that's where there's a very thin layer around the crack, and it's starting to really adhere to both sides of the neoprene and where the tear was, right down the middle. So we're going to let it dry a little bit more, and then I'll show you. So this is the Aqua Seal contact cement after drying for about 12 hours, and the bond is pretty good. You could definitely use this in the field. If you let it dry overnight, you could definitely get a couple more dives out of it, but I want to ensure that this is going to last well into the future. So I'm going to take some regular Aqua Seal, and we're going to put it all around the crack and the area surrounding, and even into the neoprene fabric to let it soak in, and that should be good. This is the repair after putting the regular Aqua Seal on it, and it's adhered quite nicely, it's dried. I reckon that I would probably put another tear into the neck seal in another place before I damage or break that repair, just because of how strong this stuff really is. And you could use it on all sorts of stuff. One of my favorite aspects of a neoprene dry suit compared to a tri-lam dry suit is how durable these suits are and how easy they are to patch in the field, especially the neoprene seals. As long as you have some Aqua Seal, either the contact cement or even the regular stuff, you can definitely make a useful repair to the seals. Thanks for watching today's episode of 5-Minute Scuba Tips. I hope it was useful. If you guys have any other stuff you want to see, please send me a message on Instagram or leave a comment on YouTube. Very easy to reach, and I'm always happy to try something or make a video, something that you guys want to see. I have a few more videos lined up, such as how to paint a scuba tank, and that will be coming very soon, in addition to the videos from Mexico. Thanks again.